Okay guys, in this tutorial we're gonna talk about abstract classes and abstract methods. That means that we will have a dedicated class that will hold just the names of methods. So we need to create additional classes to handle actual operations. So that's the theory. Practically that means this. New stuff. Abstract class, the base, let's say, and here we are going to have publicly available method, but this time abstract method. Abstract method, void, that means direct operation. First ABS method will be name, and that's it. So no actual operations, just naming stuff, abstract methods. And let's complicate things a little bit. Why not? Because it's extremely simple. We're gonna have two of these. So second ABS method. That means that we need to create additional handler for these operations. We need to be very precise and concrete. So this time class, real class and not abstract one. Details. Details extends from base, and now we are obligated to handle operations of first and second class. Method. So public void without abstract, public void, first ABS method, and actual operations for simplicity reasons will be system.out.println, where operation will be I am from first ABS methods. Okay, so is this enough? I mean, can we create an object based on the details? What is the problem here? The type details must implement the inherited abstract method base second. So when you have something here in a, let's say, listing, you must think about that. So let's implement it. I'm gonna save a little bit of time by copy pasting right here. We are targeting this time second ABS method. Second ABS method, and now this time we cannot target the base, we must target details to create object. So details, sum abg equals new details, and no problem on the left side. Just a warning that we are not using that specific thing. So yep, we do have object, let's use it, sum abg dot, and in the listing you're gonna have first ABS and second ABS method. So let's call both of these. Let me test that with the first one. There you go. I'm from first ABS method, and also sum obj dot second ABS method. Let's run it, and there you go. Question: can you have something else here that you will think about it in details in details 2 or details 3 class? Well, let's test that. Actually, I'm gonna copy paste this for third ABS method. Okay, but this time class will be class details 2, let's say. That will extends, I don't know how to type, extends again on a base. And let's save a little bit of time. I'm gonna copy paste that right here. This time we are talking about third method that needs to spit out third hard-coded string. So on the left side we have some kind of errors like multiple markers at this line, but you know, let's try to create object based on details 2. So details 2, secondary, like I don't know, like x66 obj equals new details details 2, and let's run this thing. Will we have some kind of error? What is the error? Actually, we do have some kind of results, but it's very ugly solution. It will work, but it's ugly. So anyway, x66 obj dot, and in listing we're going to have first ABS, second ABS, and also third ABS. But this time third ABS is in details too. And first ABS is from base. So if we say first ABS, will this work? No, to some degree it will, but when we say third ABS, will this work? It will work. So still we do have like problems here with implementation. The type details must implement the inherited abstract method based third ABC method. I mean, you can leave these like warnings here, very dangerous stuff, but the better option will be, you know, to handle stuff in details and just leave details to, you know, destroyed. So actually I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna remove this object, we don't need it, and also I'm gonna return to normal operations that we had a couple of minutes ago. So yeah, you can have all kind of errors and warnings, and the code will work to some degree anyway. But this is a good solution. So if you have abstract class, then list all those things in here and develop it in a dedicated class. So yeah, that's relatively simple. I mean, it's the simplest example I can think of. Yeah, that's the correct terminology in English. Okay, thank you for watching as always. Thank you for support and subscription, and see you next one. Ciao.